Recently, the United Arab Emirates, UAE, experienced a terrible weather event that led to significant flooding in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. The National Center of Meteorology, NCM, had issued a weather alert, warning residents of severe weather conditions from Friday evening until Sunday. The forecast included heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, lightning, sporadic hail, and strong winds. This deluge trapped many vehicles in the floodwaters, with countless cars swept away. The extreme weather conditions significantly disrupted both land and air transportation across the country. The weather took a turn on Friday evening, with heavy showers recorded in various parts of Abu Dhabi. Areas such as Yas Island, Al Shawamek, and Bani Yas experienced moderate rainfall.
بين عنيزة وبريدة اليوم الجمعة 16
Heavy showers were reported in Abu Dhabi. The NCM had warned of increased cloud activity in the afternoon, accompanied by strong winds. Residents were advised to avoid visiting wadis, valleys, and flood-prone areas. Motorists were urged to drive carefully, slow down, and avoid waterlogged areas. In anticipation of the severe weather, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah took precautionary measures by closing parks and beaches. Residents were advised to only leave their homes when absolutely necessary. The public was also urged to secure their belongings and park their vehicles in elevated, secure areas, particularly in anticipation of hail. The significant rainfall and flood led the Road and Transport Authority, RTA, to suspend all marine transportation until further notice. Dubai Airlines also announced flight cancellations due to the adverse weather. Travelers were advised to use the Dubai Metro, stay updated with the latest traffic news, and allow extra time for airport arrivals. They were also encouraged to check online for flight status updates. The NCM's weekend weather forecast predicted rain in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Other parts of the UAE were expected to have partly cloudy weather. The NCM also warned that humidity would increase towards the night and early morning, causing fog or mist to form over some areas. The heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, lightning, sporadic hail, and strong winds led to flash floods, overflowing dams, reduced visibility, and potential hazards from flying objects. The public was urged to avoid flood-prone areas, streams, and the sea. They were also advised to refrain from gathering in ways that impede emergency services and limit outdoor activities to essential purposes only.